The metaverse and marketing. The metaverse is not just a single platform or technology, but rather a network of persistent, 3D virtual environments. These environments offer immersive experiences where users can interact with each other through digital avatars, explore virtual worlds, participate in social activities, and engage in virtual economies. It is often described as the next evolution of the Internet, a more immersive and interactive online experience. The metaverse presents exciting opportunities for marketers. It offers new channels for brand engagement, allowing brands to connect with consumers in innovative and immersive ways. It provides access to new audiences, particularly younger generations who are actively involved in virtual worlds. The immersive nature of the metaverse enables brands to create unique and memorable experiences that foster deeper connections with consumers. It opens up opportunities for innovation, allowing brands to experiment with new marketing strategies and formats. And finally, the metaverse presents new revenue streams such as virtual goods, digital real estate, and immersive experiences. Brands can leverage several key marketing strategies in the metaverse. Creating immersive experiences such as virtual events, product showcases, and brand activations allows consumers to engage with the brand in a more meaningful way. Building virtual communities around the brand fosters a sense of belonging and encourages interaction. Leveraging virtual influencers can help reach new audiences and promote products in an authentic way. Utilizing virtual products and NFTs creates new revenue streams and opportunities for brand engagement. Integrating with gaming and entertainment platforms allows brands to reach a wider audience and tap into existing communities. Immersive experiences in the metaverse can take many forms. Brands can host virtual events, such as concerts, conferences, or product launches, that allow consumers to participate from anywhere in the world. They can create virtual showrooms where consumers can explore products in 3D and interact with them. Brand activations, such as virtual scavenger hunts or interactive games, can create buzz and engagement. Brands can build virtual communities around their brand by creating online spaces where consumers can connect with each other and the brand. This could be a dedicated space within a metaverse platform, a branded Discord server, or a virtual world created specifically for the brand. These communities foster a sense of belonging, encourage interaction, and provide valuable feedback to the brand. Virtual influencers are computer-generated characters or avatars that have a presence in the metaverse and often have large followings on social media. Brands can partner with these virtual influencers to promote products, engage audiences, and reach new demographics, particularly younger generations who are more receptive to virtual personalities. The metaverse enables brands to create and sell virtual products, such as clothing, accessories, or even virtual real estate. Non-fungible tokens can be used to represent ownership of these digital assets, creating new revenue streams and opportunities for brand engagement. Brands can also use NFTs to offer exclusive access to events, experiences, or content. Many brands are integrating their marketing efforts with popular gaming platforms and entertainment properties within the metaverse. This allows them to reach a wider audience, tap into existing communities, and engage consumers in a fun and interactive way. For example, a fashion brand could partner with a popular game to offer virtual clothing for avatars. Marketing in the metaverse presents unique challenges. Measuring return on investment can be complex, as traditional metrics may not be applicable. Ensuring brand safety in a decentralized and evolving environment is crucial. Navigating the rapidly evolving technology and platforms requires agility and adaptability. Addressing accessibility and inclusivity to ensure that everyone can participate in the metaverse is also important. To summarize, the metaverse is rapidly evolving, and its impact on marketing is only beginning to be realized. Brands that embrace this new frontier and develop a strategic framework for engaging with consumers in the metaverse will be well positioned for success in the years to come. This framework should consider creating immersive experiences, building virtual communities, leveraging virtual influencers, utilizing virtual products and NFTs, and integrating with gaming and entertainment platforms.